students, today we are going to revise second unit 5 landforms. Okay, so first we should know where we are living. Here we are living in a earth. See the blue and green part here in the earth. So the blue part represents the sea water that covered the earth, and green and light brown color represent what? The land part. In this land part only we are living. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to see different types of land in earth. Okay, so the earth is made up of 5 elements. Do you know what are that 5 elements that earth is made up of? Yeah, first one is land, second one is water, third one is air, fourth one is fire, and fifth one is sky. Okay, so earth is made up of these 5 elements: land, water, air, fire, and sky. Okay, now let's move to see the physical features of the land. The first element that earth is made up of, land. So what are the physical features of the land? So the land is made up of mountains and forest, plain, seashore, and dry land. Okay, so do you know some of the mountains in Tamil Nadu? Kodaikanal, Ooty. Okay, it's very coolest place. So at the height of the mountain, it is very cool. And forest, there are so many forests here. Okay, so in the forest, what are available there? Birds, animals, large number of trees. Okay, and the next feature of the land is plains. Some part of the earth made up of plains, so we can grow plants, herbs, etc. Okay, so they give food to us. And then some part of the land is made up of sea and seashore. So do you know some of the seas in seashore in Chennai? Yes, the Marina Beach, Mahabalipuram Beach, Thiruvanmiyur Beach. Okay, do you like beaches, kids? Okay, part of the earth is filled with seashores. Okay, and then dry land. Okay, some part of the earth are comprised of dry land. What are the dry lands? They are known as deserts. So very few plants are growing there. No water. There are scarcity of water, and the deserts are very hot place. Okay, so these are the different features of land. What are they? Mountains, forest, plain, seashore, and then dry land. Okay, so what are the landforms of Tamil Nadu? The land is divided, classified as Kurunchi, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. So what are the landforms of Tamil Nadu? So the landforms of Tamil Nadu are Kurunchi, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, and Palai. Okay, next one. The first landform, mountains. We are going to see mountains. So a mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. Okay, so the height of the mountains are very large. Okay, the mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurunchi land. So what is Kurunchi land? The mountains and its surroundings are known as Kurunchi land. Okay, next let us see the theme of Kurunchi land. What do you mean by theme here? Okay, so we are going to see what are the theme. Theme deals with the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird, and musical instruments. So what type of people are there, and what are their occupation, and what type of plants are growing there in Kurunji land, and what type of flowers are available there, what kind of animals, birds are there, and what kind of musical instruments they are used. So these are known as the theme. The first one, God. What God they worship? Murugan. And people. The people are known as Kuravar, Kurathiya. The second picture, see, the Kuravan and Kurathiyas are sitting there. And what is their occupation? So these people are hunting, gathering roots and honey. Okay. What plant or flowers they are growing there in their fields? Bamboo, Bengai and Kurunji flower. Bamboo, Bengai and Kurunji flower. Okay. And then, so the animals, see the animals? Monkey. So, some other animals are deer. So monkey, deer are available there, and birds, parrot, peacock are there. Okay, see those things. And the musical instruments, yal, Kurunji yal. Okay, so it's a very sweet instruments. They are singing very nicely. These people. Okay, these are the theme of Kurunji land. And next one is the people and their occupations. The people and their occupations of Kurunji land are, first one is Poruppan. What do you mean by Poruppan? Soldier. A soldier is known as Poruppan. And Verpan. So what it means? Leader of the tribe. Weaponist. So he uses various weapons. Okay. So he is known as Verpan. Third one, Silamban, master of martial arts, the arts of fighting. Silamb, it's a stick. Okay, so using stick they are fighting. So they are known as Silamban. And then Kuravar. Everyone knows Kuravan and Kurati. You know, in the train also they may come with us. Okay, so their occupation is hunter and the gatherer. In the previous age, in the older age, they are hunters. Okay. Next one is Canavar, people of the mountainous forest. Canavar, people of the mountainous forest. Okay. So next we are going to see the soil of Kurunji land. So what soil? So the Kurunji land is composed of what? Red and black soils with stones and pebbles. Do you see pebbles? Small, round, smooth, white stones. They are known as pebbles. Okay, their soils are red and black. Okay, so these are the first landform, Kurunji, that is mountains. The mountains areas are known as Kurunjis. Okay, so let us revise these things. The first one, so we are living in earth. So the earth is made up of what? Different type of land. So here we are seeing land and sea. Okay, land and sea part. Sea part is represented by blue, and this green part represents land. And the land is the element. Whole earth is made up of 5 elements. Okay, they are land, water, air, fire and sky. So the physical features, what are the physical features? Mountain, forest, plain, seashore, dry land. Earth consists of mountains, forest, plain, seashore and dry lands. Okay. Next, the landforms. What are the different landforms? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Okay. And the first mountains part is known as what land? Kurunji land. Okay, mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. Okay, so do you know some important hills of Tamil Nadu? Kolli Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, it is known as Ooty, Javad Hills, Pachaimalai. So these are some famous hills in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Okay. Next, the theme of the Kurunji land. What do you mean by theme? Deals with God, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird, and musical instrument. Okay. The God is Murugan and people Kuravar, Kuratiyar. Occupation is hunting, gathering roots and honey, plant and flower, bamboo, Vengai, and Kurunji flower. Animal or bird, monkey, deer are there, peacock are there, parrot are there. What's the musical instruments they are using? Kurunjiyal. Okay. The people and their occupation. There are different designations in the occupations. The first one is people. Porupan. Porupan is a soldier. Virpan is leader of the tribe. That is weaponist. Silamban is a master of martial arts. And Kuravar, they are hunter and gatherer. And Kanavar, people of the mountainous forest. Okay. So the soil of the Kurunji land is it is composed of red black soils with stones and pebbles. Here see some important hills of the Tamil Nadu. Jinji Hills, Kolli Hills, Shervarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, Javath Hills and Pachai Malai. Okay kids, do you enjoy the revision? Please study the important things. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.